Let's roll. Here we are. The market opens. The market's open. Starting the session. Okay, 9:30 US time. I'm gonna show you how this app works. Okay, how you can use the alertings. It makes you to become patient. When does it say the upcoming alert is coming? In 9 minutes. Okay, so more than 8 minutes is gonna be the first alert. Okay, so what we're doing here, we're just watching the market. Okay, what we can do in the meantime, you can go to a higher time frame. Okay, 50 minutes. Okay, and mark out. Okay, the highs and the lows. Even mark it here, one high here, another low here. So you can see the range. Okay, the VWAP, the daily VWAP, and the 50 EMA. I'm gonna add 200 EMA without the coloring. Add to the chart. Let me see. Apply, and here we are. Okay, we have the 200 EMA, and this is the 50. If you don't want to get confused, okay, I can remove the VWAP. Okay, so now what do you have in place here? Let's go to the 5-minute chart. Okay, so how's the trend? So this is what I see, the market direction. Is it going up or is it going down? This is your bias. Okay, so you need to see the price is not going up, it's not going down. It's going sideways at the moment. So I'm still waiting. My clock is saying it's been 8 minutes since the market opened, so I still don't have a clear bias. Look, can you see? It's come bouncing back upwards. This is how this app works, okay? It's gonna allow you to take your time, think about it, and do some level of analysis, basic analysis. Okay, so it didn't break up. It has to break out this range here, and then there's another level here. This is a range. The price is back and forth, bouncing within this range. Okay, here we are. Nine minutes. Okay, what's the status? We are clearly on a downtrend, so I should click it down. Okay, I go to my dashboard again and I say, okay, I'm gonna trade this account. Okay, this is what you have to do. What is your setup? Okay, my trading plan is gonna be start with the 1 to 1.5 risk to reward, or 1 to 2. So I have another alert. What time is it now? 12 minutes. Okay, now I have to review my bias. Okay, where is the prices going? Now it's not going the lower, it's going higher maybe. Okay, I don't have a clear bias yet, but I'm taking my time. So I'm using the timers to hold me back before placing a trade. Let's see how the community delta. Do I have any diversions? Okay, so maybe I can see the price. Maybe I'm looking for divergences on the 1 minute time frame. Look at this. So this is telling me this is a bullish divergence because the delta is coming up and the price is going down. So I was showing you on the 1 minute time frame that I was seeing these divergences. This divergence here is showing the uptrend of the community delta, and the downside, downtrend on the price action. Okay, so this is a bullish diversion. Here is clear, right? Bullish diversions. So should I take a buy? Well, maybe I can bet. Okay, so I have my stop like ATP. Okay, let's do it. Okay.
Order filled.
What's my target? A little bit higher. Okay. So where are you gonna place your targets? Well, this is one mini. I can say it's gonna go for this high here. Okay.
Order canceled.
So it's moving here. So what I'm gonna do on the app, I place the trade, and immediately I should click position 1. Okay, this is my first position. Maybe I can add to the winner. Let's see. I can add micros. This is a mini contract. Okay, this is how I use the app. Okay, so I detected an opportunity for a trade because I identified the diversions, and I know the price can go to this, at least to this level, and it's doing as I said. Look, this is how you can use my app to identify possible trades. The app is not going to tell you how to trade. It's going to allow you only to manage these timings, to take the decision whether you go in long or short. In my case, I think I'm right, because it's gonna go for the VWAP. If it stays above, I'm gonna extend this. I'm gonna extend it, and I'm gonna add to
order canceled.
Let's say I'm looking for to the previous high, or looking for another higher value here, maybe.
Order canceled.
And I can add to a winner, but I need to see if it stays above the VWAP. Okay, if it stays above the VWAP, I'm gonna add to the winner. Okay, I need to see. So I'm in a trade now. For how many minutes I'm in the trade? Almost 2 minutes. Okay, so if I open a new position, I will open this one too. I will click here, start. So simple, so simple. And you will see the shaker at minute 25. Okay, when you're trading, you're focused, so you can go through mental exhaustion. So this is gonna give you a shakeout, alert. So to say, okay, I'm so trapped, I'm so dense, can I continue? Yes or no? So you can skip it, or you can take a little bit of break. So if you want to take a break, you just move your stop loss. Let's say I need to take a break. I'm gonna reduce my
order canceled,
my risk, and recalibrate the take profit.
Order canceled.
And I can go away. I can step away. And now you will see the shaker. Okay, here it is. Apparently this capture it doesn't take much time. So this is when let's say I'm so into this trail, and that I have kind of I get frozen, or I don't know. This shaker alert is allowing me to take my time and say, like, can I continue with trading? How am I? What's your status? Okay, I feel good. I feel I'm capable to continue. So I can say, okay, I can start the cool off time, or I can skip it. No, because I'm gonna add to the winner. I'm gonna skip it. Okay, I added to the winner because I'm ready to continue looking for higher prices. So where are the, okay, so it's going my way. It's 1-to-1 now at the moment. So if I want to review, okay, what's your decision? I can say, okay, my risk to reward is gonna be 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio. Okay, So let's say now I'm risking 500 to make two, so this I can close the trade now, or I can leave it running and trail my stop loss. It's optional, okay, to take the free. You can set up 2 minutes, 3 minutes, or 5 minutes break, okay, cool off timer. You set it up under the configuration. It should be maybe halfway here.
Order cancelled.
And let's say we're making 2,000 in a day. You can clearly, but if this goes my way, you can look. Say 2,000.
Order cancelled.
Now what I can do is to trade. So this position is still on, okay? It's been 8 minutes into the session and about like 3-4 minutes for the
Order
second
filled.
position. Okay, done. 2,000 profits, okay? Now what I can do, I close this trade, and this trade, the remaining drawdown, I don't know, you need to see on your Apex account what is the remaining drawdown. Let's say it's 2,500 because I didn't lose at all. Okay, so it was a winning. So you can log in one 2,000 in one, or you can say, okay, this was making 400 and the other one's making 1,600. Okay, this is so you can. What is the remaining drawdown for this? I'm gonna close it too. Remaining drawdown is still the same, and it was 1,600. It was a winning trade. I locked this up, and let me see if it's being captured. Okay, this is being captured, very good. And that's it for today, okay? So I need to do some fixes. This is a beta, this is my beta app, but see how clearly it allowed me to manage my risk, identify the direction of the market, you know, to spot the diversions. In my case, this was more intraday. I was not scalping in this case. In my case, it was 8-9 minutes trade. So I added to the winner. I just, you know, I did as everything that I needed to do. I managed the risk, you know, when I added to the position, I trail my stop loss and recalculate the stop loss so it doesn't go beyond 600 or 500. I think it was 550, something like that, the associated profit. Okay, so I say Apex number 10. Okay, I click here and I have this win here. Fantastic. And there's a situation with the remaining drawdown. It has to be 2,500. Okay, I have to fix this, but it's logging properly the $2,000 I made. So the profit target is 3,000. So I'm very close now. I'm $1,000 away. Or maybe if I was correct and I leave this, I can close one trade and leave the other running. Now this should have been like 3,000. So one day pass, boom. On Apex you can do this. On Apex account you have, this is exactly how I traded, is 1 day pass for an Apex account. By using my app, I manage the risk. I have this tolerance before entering quickly under a FOMO or whatever as a short. I wanted to short in the beginning, but I didn't take the shorts in the end because I saw the diversions in the price action and in the delta, and I said, no, it's going to go higher. Okay, this is my bet. This is how much I'm going to risk. According to the risk to reward ratio here was 1:2. So I respected that. So this is what you have to do, okay? So I'm going to leave this with you and evaluate. Just join my channel, subscribe here, and join the school. I have a school community, so you can add some comments. I'd like to have this app. For the first 100 members, I'm going to give this app for free. So I'm going to send you the link so you can download it, install it, test it out, and give me some feedback. If you want more new features, more programs to be added, I will be adding a lot of features. And there was so many things I'm going to add for the paid accounts. But at the moment, it's going to be for free for the first members. Okay, look how easily I managed the risk and I took my time before stepping into this crazy market during the US Open. You know, the New York US Open is crazy. But the timer is going to allow you to take it easy, take some breath. You know, you can have a cool off time, because if you're a very emotional person, it's so emotional that you can take a clear decision. You have the cool off time. You can set up to 5 minutes. You set up, if you're in a trade, you basically recalibrate your stop loss and take profit, and just walk away. Go for water. You just go and take a glass of water, step away from the screen, and then come back after the timer goes off. Okay? I mean, like it expires after the 5 minutes. This is so easy. So this app is going to allow you to control your emotions and to take better decisions. Hope you had a great time with me tonight, and I'll see you later. Thanks. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? And join the Discord channel and the school community. Everything is in the description of the video. Bye bye.